Hi everyone, Greg here. Well, today I've got a really awesome recipe for you. It's roast veggies and sausages, but I'm doing it in a different way. If you're really good at burning things, this is probably a really good recipe for you. It's nice and easy cleanup as well, and you can use it in a campfire as well. So if you're going camping, this is going to be an awesome one. So let's get started. So basically just use the vegetables of your choice here. I've just got some potatoes, corn, onions, using the sausages and some beans and some garlic. And of course I'll be using one of my favorite ingredients, butter. Oh yeah, I love this stuff. I want to melt some because I'm going to be pouring it over or brushing it on all these things. This stuff is gold. That's a cooking lesson done. Oh yeah, perfect. Oh, I could drink that. Now you will need some aluminium foil for this because that's what we're going to be cooking it in. So go and grab yourself a nice big roll, pull it out because you will need it. So the first thing we need to do is preheat the oven. We're going to set it to 220 degrees Celsius. Which is about 425 Fahrenheit. Now we will need to cut up some vegetables first into just smallish sort of pieces. And the sausages I'll be cutting into little tiny pre-cut strips. Anyway, by the magic of YouTube. That's done. Let's start preparing, and we'll grab some aluminium foil, a fairly decent size. Stick that on. Now I want to brush some butter on here to stop everything from sticking, and of course give it heaps of flavour. And now let's just add our vegetables in, and half the sausage. No uniformity, just so the flavours can sort of interfuse, if that's a word. I hope it is, because I just used it. I really like chili and things in my meals, so I've got some new chili flakes here, which I'll add some on. I've got some onion salt here as well, which I'll just sprinkle a bit on. And some parsley. You don't have to add any of these, you can add your own favourite herbs. Just so happens that these are my favourite herbs. But one of the other things I wanted to do was get some more butter and just paste it on over the veggies. And now we just need to fold this up, fold it over. It's probably best to do it on the tray because then you don't have to lift it up later and transfer it. So that's one done. I'll just quickly whip up another one and then we'll chuck it in the oven. Never forget the most important ingredient, butter. Oh, I probably should have used another whole stick's worth. Why would you know? This is ready to go into the oven. The oven's preheated, and we're going to be sticking it in the middle of the oven or towards the top, not at the bottom. And we'll stick that in, and we want to cook that for about the 40 to 45 minute mark. What you could do is after 40 minutes just turn the oven off and let it sit there for another 15 minutes if you like your veggies and things really nicely cooked. But I'll stick the timer on for 45. It's my kitchen. I'll cook it how I want. And we'll come back when that's done. See you then. Alright, well it's been about 50 minutes because well, the alarm went off and we were lying on the couch and we were sort of procrastinating about getting up because it's a really hot day and all we're thinking about now is heading to the beach. But hey, let's get these out and well, let's see what it's like. Now, one thing you have to do is be very careful when you're like opening this, and I'll show you why. Because the steam from all the veggies will pour out. And that's a lot of heat. We'll take a look at these sausages. They're cooked all the way through. They look great. Everything looks cooked. Have a look at this potato here. The fork's going in nice and easily. Everything's cooked. What more do you want? That's a meal and a half right there. It smells great, it looks great, super easy to make. How about I just taste, I don't know, what do you want to taste? Piece of potato? Oh, everything's cooked. It's all great. Do yourself a favour. Foil wrap your veggies and your meat and chuck it in the oven and make yourself a nice meal. Now, something else that we like to add to this is some Parmesan cheese. Oh yeah, I love this stuff. We'll just sprinkle some over the top and let that melt in. There's your meal in a foil. And you know what the best thing about this is? There's no washing up. Well, I hope you enjoy that recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time right here on Greg's Kitchen.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where today I made a delicious foil pack roast dinner with veggies and sausages. How easy was it to make? And it was delicious.